इसका स्मेल आई एम सो अजीब बट व्हाट इज दिस, थोड़ा सा लगाओ लाइक द कंसिस्टेंसी, ओ माई गॉड. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muskan Agarwal and thank you so much for coming onto my channel and watching this video. I would be sharing my favorite product. So many people have asked about this, from skincare, hair care, body care, makeup, everything. So yeah, let's dive right into the video. Okay. So the number one category, which is like the most important category for me, is skincare, of course. So I will start with the moisturizer that I use. So this is the Body Shop British Rose Body Yogurt. This is the most amazing. So I am a moisturizer fan. Like मेरे को कितने भी moisturizer दे दो, it's never enough. It's almost empty. इसको थोड़ा सा लगाओ, like the consistency. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Like I keep on. So this is always like beside my bed, and I always keep on. This is really amazing, really hydrating. Of course, it is a bit on the pricier side, I would say, but for the quantity and the quality of the product, it seemed worth it to me. It is from this brand called the Body Shop. Coming to the next thing is my favorite face wash, that is the Dot and Key. I know I have been a fan of Neutrogena का face wash जो आता था around 400 का for the longest time, but this is like my new favorite, right? So this is Dot and Key Skincare Watermelon Super Glow Gel Face Wash. इसको लगाने के बाद वो होता है ना कि you cannot, like some face wash make, वो कई बार फेस वॉश लगाने के बाद ये होता है ना कि यार तुम स्माइल भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Nothing like that happens, especially for me, because I'm a very dry girl person. So yeah, this is a really good face wash and very budget friendly. I think this is just for like around 200 rupees something. Coming to my next favorite skincare product is this Dot and Key skincare. If you guys have seen my skincare vlogs or skincare videos, तो तुम लोग को पता होगा कि how obsessed I am with this specific product. I think this is my 7th or the 8th bottle, and I am 100% sure if they do not change the formulation, I'm gonna be their lifetime customer. So this is their 10% vitamin C plus E super bright face serum, 5% niacinamide. I do not apply this at night because I read it somewhere, or I heard it from somebody that you should not apply this thing, the vitamin C thing, in sunlight. The third product and the most interesting one are the two sunscreens. Okay, let me just tell you what the sunscreens are. So I think this one would be the most सबको पता होगा. This is the Aqualogica Radiance Dewy Sunscreen. Amazing. I do not have to talk about it. The best part about this, कुछ तो हो गया है इसमें, निकल नहीं रहा है, but the best thing about it is that it is, just look at this. If I do this, it will literally just blend. Like there is no white cast at all, which is something that I love. This is also very budget friendly. So yeah, if you are, you know, a college girl, or if you're looking for a sunscreen in budget, this is definitely a go-to. The second one that I've recently started using is this Ipka Silicone Sunscreen Gel SPF Acne UV. So my skin started breaking out for some reason, and then a friend of mine suggested me. So this is like ये मुझे like Apollo पे मिलती है. So I would suggest asking your dermat or like consulting somebody before you start using that. But this works really well for my skin. If I have to show you a little bit of it, this is a little thick and silicone side पर है ये. Like इसमें क्या होता है ना, like if you will apply it, there would be a white cast, but like not for a very long time. Like it will go like after, just give it 5 minutes. होता है ना, trust the process. This sunscreen is exactly like that. Like trust the process. This is again on a bit pricier side, around 900 rupees. So this is my first tube, but I've already bought my second tube. So yeah, you should give it a try. Now coming to the second category, that is the body care category. Okay, let's start with the number one thing, that is the shower gel that I use. One of my favorite shower gel. It is from the Body Shop again, and it is of the flavor argan. I also have like I think strawberry and jasmine flavor of it. And you know, once you apply, like use this and you get out of the shower, you feel like jasmine, you smell like jasmine, you smell like strawberry. This is a very good one, and though it is written 395, but ये usually discount पे होता है, especially the argan one. Jasmine and strawberry वाला नहीं होता है, but yeah, even this does the job. This is really good. I've been using the Body Shop का shower gels and creams and everything from almost a year now, and I feel that the fragrance that they have, right, is really long lasting. मतलब मैं सुबह भी लगाती हूँ तो रात तक भी I don't feel कि यार, you know, like I need to apply some fragrance externally. It is there. It is like it just built in. So the number 2 thing is a very important step of my daily routine is this body cream, you can say. And a really weird thing I'll tell you about myself, that I do not, now I have stopped using a face cream. I only use I take a good body cream and apply it on my face. Tell me in the comment section below if that is not a good thing to do, but that is what I do for now. So this is Victoria's Secret Palm Lagoon with electric coconut. This is what it looks like. I got it last time when I was going to Bali. I got this thing on the airport, and it's been almost a year and ये ख़त्म नहीं हुई है. Like it's still there. And if I have to show you the consistency, let me show it to you. Look at, so flowy, so amazing. So it's written here, right, that Palm Lagoon with the electric coconut. It's smelling exactly like that, and it's also like a little bit like mango. So it's almost summer, right? And this is smelling like mango. It's amazing. It is amazing. Like I can, so whenever I leave for any place or anything, I always apply this. And there have been so many instances when I have just applied this and people have asked me, what perfume are you wearing? And I'm like, I am not wearing any perfume. I'm like just applying, I have just applied my cream, and this is again a very nice one. I don't know if this is available in India or if it is not available, but yeah, Victoria's Secret products are good in general. I do not really have a lot of products from this brand, but whatever products I do have, they have not disappointed me. So a lot of people told me कि यार the lip balms that I told, that was the Laneige lip balm, was like over budget या फिर कुछ like tell us something that is budget friendly. I'm a college going student, so I have exactly what you guys can use. So here are my 2 favorite budget friendly lip balms. One is the OG Vaseline Lip Care Cocoa Butter Rich Nourishment for Smooth Lips. This is amazing. Okay, like I keep it everywhere, like all of my jeans pockets. You will have like one of this and this. वो धोने भी वैसे ही जाते हैं, you know, like I'm not even kidding when I say this. मेरी हर jeans के pocket में you will find one of this, either this one or the yellow, the pink one. Like उसमें रहते ही रहते हैं. Another one is and it hydrates my lips a lot. Like I am not a very big lipstick girly, so I just like keep applying this all over. वो एक लड़की नहीं होती है who is like every time she's like I am literally that girl. The number 2 one is this from Mate. So I did not know about this brand. I just saw really good reviews and I just ordered it, and it's really really nice. So it is Butter Me Up Lip Butter Mom and Baby. This has a really, like, ये box में आता है, which is something that I do not really like because मेरे को बार-बार like I have to put in the finger, and sometimes the finger is not that clean या फिर like it's just, I do not feel that this is very hygienic. But the consistency is nice. This is yeah, so this is I feel, so I feel like this is another very good lip balm in budget that you guys can buy if you are looking for the same. But still my favorite would be the Laneige one, because ये दोनों है ना, they are good but they will not stay on your lips for a very long time. मतलब चले जाएगा. Coming to the category number 3, that is hair care category. So important and so neglected category. Like even I neglected it till a very very long time, but not anymore. So let's start with the shampoo, which a lot of people have asked. So this is the shampoo that I use. This is the Spa Essence Nourishing Shampoo for all skin types, and it is from the brand called Schwarzkopf. सो आई टेल यू देयर इज़ अ वेरी गुड स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट. तो मैं जब भी स्पा कराने जाती थी ऑन लाइक सैलॉन्स एंड ऑल, तो आई यूज्ड टू सी कि वो कौन सा शैम्पू यूज़ कर रहे हैं. वो ये शैम्पू यूज़ करते थे, राइट. एंड आफ्टर दैट सैलॉन माई हेयर यूज्ड टू फील लाइक सो गुड एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके, लेट मी सर्च कि अगर ये शैम्पू अवेलेबल है ऑनलाइन, एंड थैंकफुली इट वॉज. सो आई बॉट इट. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली लाइक मेरे बालों को हर शैम्पू सूट नहीं करता. लाइक माई हेयर इज एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई, बट दिस इज़ रियली हेल्पिंग आउट. आई मीन दिस शैम्पू मोस्ट ऑफ द सैलॉन्स, लाइक जब भी आप केराटिन कराने जाते हो या फिर स्पा कराने जाते हो, वो यूज़ करते हैं. आई ऑल्सो यूज़ देयर हेयर मास्क, बट दैट इज़ लाइक नॉट वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स, बट देयर शैम्पू रियली डज द जॉब फॉर मी. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट लाइक दिस इज़ 1000 ml फॉर 1100, वेरेज मैं एक स्पा कराने जाती थी वही हो जाता था यार, लाइक अराउंड लाइक 1100-1200 को वही हो जाता था. वाज लाइक व्हाई नॉट बाय अ बॉटल, दैट विल सेव मी सो मच ऑफ मनी. सो देयर इज डेफिनेटली सम स्मेल इन इट, नॉट लाइक बैड स्मेल, सम गुड फ्रेग्रेंस इन इट, बट यूजुअली व्हेनेवर आई लुक फॉर दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आई डू नॉट रियली वांट सम फ्रेग्रेंसेस. बट ठीक है, लाइक दिस इज ऑल वी गॉट एंड इट्स अ रियली नाइस वन. लाइक द सेकेंड थिंग in the category is the most important thing, and I ignored it for such a long time, is this bee blunt or any heat protectant. Like I remember whenever I was a kid, मतलब मैं इतना straightening करती थी बालों को without putting any protectant, and oh my god, I'm so sorry. Like I literally have to tell them sorry because they had to go so much because I was so stupid. But now I do not even touch my dryer without applying this. Hi guys, I am back. थोड़ा सा angle अलग हो गया होगा because I had a meeting that I had to quickly do. The next thing that is there in the hair care category is this Streaks Professional का what do you call? इतना सा लेती हूँ and I just apply it at the ends of my hair, and this also smells amazing, but this makes my hair a little bit oily, but still this is one of the product that I really like. Like I've tried so many hair serums. This is one of the product that has really stood out. Second serum, this is not exactly a serum but a frizz away smoothing oil, Babasu oil. This is amazing, like such an underrated product. I've never seen anybody use this product. This is again from the brand Shoshkoff, and इसका smell, oh, I'm so sorry, this smells also like very अजीब, but this is if your hair is very frizzy, मतलब धोने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि पूरे मतलब उसमें कुछ जान ही नहीं बची and everything, this does the job for me. I'm not applying a lot right now because I've already applied a lot of serums yesterday. The next category is makeup, and let me just go through whatever I have and whatever favorites are there. So the first one is my absolute, I mean I cannot live without this product. This is from the brand called Maybelline. Of course everybody knows about it. This is the Fit Me concealer, not the foundation. I just apply concealer and this is amazing. I mean I don't want to apply it, but if you just look at it, like it will just blend, मतलब वो गायब हो जाएगा literally. And this is so perfect for me. I do not like heavy concealers जो एकदम दिखते हैं face पर कि यार मेकअप कर रखा है तुमने. Just look at this. Can you look at the difference? The second makeup product that is my absolute favorite are, let me show you my favorite lipsticks. These two, oh, what is this? These two lipsticks, one is from Nykaa and one is from Maybelline. I'll not put it on my lips. I'll just do a swoosh here. So yeah, you could you know, like a brownish nudish color, which is perfect for the person like me who does not like to be out there and everything. So whenever I go out somewhere and अगर मैं सुबह लगा लेती हूँ, just stays there and it's amazing. Like I've been using it from quite a lot of time and it just does not get finished. I don't know, but like this is always there in my purse, in my, like whenever I'm going, this is a go-to. Second, my most favorite lipstick is this mini lipstick from Nykaa. This is in the flavor or color Bon Bon. Whenever I apply these, it immediately like just blooms up my face. This might look very dark, but trust me, it is not. Like I am not a very dark lipstick person. If you will see, upar wala. Coming to the last product of this particular video, which is the coolest and the most cutest product, is this what do you call, the lip tint, the lip cheek everywhere tint from this brand called Gush. तो मैं इनकी प्रोडक्ट्स देखती थी और नायका एंड दे वाज सो क्यूट. लाइक फर्स्टली आई सॉ देयर वो जो 3-4 लिपस्टिक वाला होता है एक स्टिक, आई वांटेड टू बाय इट बट देन आई थॉट इट इज लाइक अ गिमिकी प्रोडक्ट. आई डिड नॉट एंड अप बाइंग दैट. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस इज इट इज़ वेरी पिगमेंटेड. मतलब मैंने जब इसको पहली बार यूज़ करा था, आई अप्लाइड लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ इट एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ शिट. लेट मी जस्ट शो इट टू you actually. Just look at this. Look at how pigmented this is for a blush. Like I've used so many blushes but none of the blush is so pigmented. And मैंने इसको कितनी बार यूज़ करा है. Like this is almost with me for the last 3 to 4 months and I use it almost like जब भी मैं बाहर जाती हूँ. And it is not like nowhere close to कि वो ख़त्म भी हो रहा है, मेरे को दिख भी नहीं रहा है. And even the nude one is really nice. This looks so pretty. Like so many times I apply it on my lips. And the best part about this is the packaging that it comes in. So yeah, these were my favorite products. I hope you really like them. Like these are the products that I really swear by and cannot really, you know, live without. Let me know in the comment section below if some of the products that I showed you guys also use, or if there are certain products that you would like to recommend me. I would love to use your favorite products and let's do a video using my subscribers' favorite products, and that would be amazing, right? I like to use new products, keep experimenting and everything. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. That really motivates me and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.